In this video, I will show you how you can earn up to $900 or more using ChatGPT. The method is simple. This method is only to help you earn extra money, to increase your income, and not something that will make you rich overnight. By the end of the video, you will learn how to be unique and get quality results to stand out from the crazy number of people currently using ChatGPT. So make sure to watch until the end. Welcome to another video on the Money Access YouTube channel. We help regular people make money online using simple strategies and tools. I think it will help them a lot in their day-to-day life. Before we go to the video, make sure subscribe to channel and like the video. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. First of all, I tell you how to start making money with ChatGPT. Let me quickly explain how this smart technology works for those who don't know. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative, Pre-trained Transformer, and the built-in AI chatbot generates text based on written prompts in an advanced and creative way. You can type anything in the chat as if you were chatting with a friend, and the AI chatbot will give you a detailed answer in seconds. For example, let's ask the chatbot to summarize the book, The Circle, which usually costs up to a lot of dollars to do. But now thanks to ChatGPT, you only need one click to get a summarized book in seconds. Can you imagine how much time and money we can save? At the same time, can you imagine the opportunities of making money using ChatGPT? Now let's start. If you go to Fiverr.com, one of the biggest freelance marketplaces worldwide, you'll notice that the book/ebook writing service is currently popular, and it has limited competition compared to other services. Because as you know, becoming a good copywriter takes a lot of time and experience. That's why you'll find people who will charge up to $100 an hour for different copywriting services. But don't worry, you don't have to spend years learning copywriting skills. Instead, we will use ChatGPT to do the hard work for us. Let's say your client needs an ebook about socialism. All you need to do is head to chat.openai.com and let the chatbot write the book for you. And here is where most people fail, because even if ChatGPT is super smart with the answers, you still have to be specific and creative in how you lead the chat. So please don't ask the chatbot to write an ebook, and that's it. Now split the process into different stages to get high-quality results. Let me show you what I mean by that. So again, we need to write an ebook about socialism. The first thing we have to do is generate a name for that book. So we start by asking the chatbot to give us some options. Once you have a name for your book, we can move on to the base of every book, the outline structure or the book's content. As you can see, we now have a base from which we can start. All you need to do is start section by section based on the generated outline structure. Keep in mind that the process might take some time, but it will generate a professionally written ebook, and will guarantee you stand out from the crowd. That is all for today. You will be aware that bringing in cash online is extremely simple. You simply need the follow right thing, and you will rack in heaps of cash day to day without stress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on that notification button, so that you will get the latest money-making tips next time I post a video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.